Hello Team Healthy, I am so happy that you can join me today. Let's make some healthy pumpkin muffins. So I used whole wheat flour, almond flour, I used pumpkin spice, lots of it, and I also used some coconut sugar, baking powder. All the ingredients are listed on the screen. And I also used some eggs and the star of the day, the pumpkin puree. So give that wet ingredient a good mix and then add some dried fruits. I used dried raisins, dried cranberries, and chocolate chips. I used dark unsweetened and I added some pepitas. Those I would also reserve and use as toppings. I also used some coconut sugar as well, and I will be telling you exactly why I'm using these ingredients instead of the normal ingredients like all-purpose flour and the normal cane sugar that you know. Now the wet ingredients, I used 2 medium-sized eggs. Now the star of the day, pumpkin puree. I made this at home and I'm gonna leave a link in the comment section as to how I achieved that, and also some peanut butter. So give that a good mix. You don't want to overdo it. You just want to make sure that when all the ingredients are well incorporated, you stop mixing, because otherwise it's gonna be dense. But we want a fluffy, well aerated and moist muffin. Okay, so I use whole wheat flour because it is unrefined. It retains most of its nutrients. You know, the bran, the germ, the wheat grain, everything is still intact. So that means that it has a high amount of fiber, which we need for gut health and metabolic function. And also it's good, it provides a good amount of vitamins, minerals, okay? And also the almond flour I use, it is gluten-free. Most people are beginning to embrace almond flour. It is very subtle and nice to your gut, and also high in fiber and protein. Almond flour is also rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. And what does that tell you? It is amazing for our skin. Now, before I go on, this is the season of Thanksgiving, and I have just one question for you to ponder on. And that question is, what are you thankful for? This is the end of the year. So many gains, so many losses, but what exactly are you thankful for? I want you to think about that. Next, I'm going to talk about the coconut sugar, which is unrefined, provides zinc, calcium, and potassium in good amounts. Better than cane sugar, which is refined and has fewer nutrients. The cane sugar is also linked to diabetes, inflammatory diseases, and metabolic disorders. Okay, this coconut sugar, believe it or not, has antioxidant properties, has a great caramel taste which boosts the flavor of your baked goods. And also the spices, I love spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. Those are all present in the pumpkin spice, which have antimicrobial properties for the cloves. The ginger provides anti-inflammatory properties. The nutmeg provides antioxidant properties, and the cinnamon linked to good cholesterol levels and weight loss. Now look at this beauty right here. Instantly, just by looking at this, you would know that this is absolutely healthy for you. I think that this is awesome, guys. This is one recipe here, free from unwanted ingredients, excess sugar, or refined ingredients or additives, guys. So do try this Thanksgiving.